Good morning and happy Monday from the Tesla Farang. Sawadee Cup. Monday morning here, and it's 1 week till delivery day. And today we've got the home charger installation. So back behind me, I've got to get a little bit of a tidy up going on and get ready for the guys to come and start the installation. So I'll keep you updated what happens. So the yard's all clean, all swept up, ready for the guys to come. The company's called D-Charge. They're recommended when you purchase your Tesla. They're recommended by Tesla, so it's the official Tesla home charger, and this company has been approved to install them. So they should be arriving here about 10 o'clock. So this is where they're gonna have to run the cables for the home charging installation. From here, they're gonna have to pull up the artificial grass, run it along the wall, all the way along the wall, then run it all the way along here, and then they're going to fit it just inside here, out of the elements. And then when I charge, for now I'm just going to have to bring the cable around the back into the drive and charge there. Okay, so the home charger installation is complete. Let's take a look at what they've done. I was actually mistaken. I thought it was going to go underground all the way, but they've actually attached it along the wall here, and then from here it goes underground all the way along in front, and then here. So company D-Charge, as I say, recommended by Tesla, done an amazing job. Just a little bit more about how the D-Charge setup works. So once you make your booking, Tesla will contact D-Charge and they will automatically get in contact with you and schedule a survey date. So they came around maybe a week or so after I made the booking for the Tesla Model 3. They came around, it was 1,500 baht for the survey, and they take that off the final invoice amount. So they came round, priced it up, and it was around about 42,000 baht, which I've seen online people say, oh, you can get different chargers and you don't have to go with the Tesla one. They're cheaper installation, but for me, if you're spending about 2 million baht on a car, it's worth spending out, you know, to get the official Tesla charger, and go with the company that Tesla recommend. And the next thing, we're going to go to the electricity board now, and we need to get a new, more powerful box or something at the front, and then get it connected up, ready for next Monday when the car arrives. Okay, that's all for today from the Tesla Farang Sawadee Cup. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll speak to you next time. Cheers.